10 by Mars City Edition wheel eyebrow disassembly and the lower side of the eyebrow and push the buckle. Did you use a skateboard to press angel on wheels? Did you remove the original wheel? Unscrew the screws in the front eyebrow skeleton. Unscrew the inside screw of the rear eyebrow. Use the pry plate to assist in prying off the original wheel eyebrows. Remove the buckle. Pry off the rear eyebrow propulsion buckle. Pry off the rear eyebrows of the original car. Install the buckle on the wheel eyebrow first. Clean up the installation position of the wheel eyebrows first. Apply adhesive weight to the pasting place of the eyebrow 3 meters. Tear off the 3-meter paper. Align the buckle position. Just get stuck. Pay attention to alignment of the side buckle position. Buckle the rear eyebrows in the same way. 10 by Mars City Edition wheel eyebrow installation completed.